Today I'm going to show you 3 awesome free traffic strategies that you can use to make thousands of dollars a month with CPA affiliate offers. I'm going to show you an example, the strategy behind it, how people are making tons of money doing this, and how it can all be done automatically with AI. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for some notifications every time I post new videos about online marketing and making money online. Also, don't forget to post your comments and questions down below. Now, let's get started on these free traffic strategies and how you can make money with CPA affiliate marketing. And I'm talking thousands of dollars a month with free traffic. This is a great method. Let's do it now. Let's get into my computer and I'll show you these strategies and how it actually works. So the first step, you're going to need access to CPA affiliate offers. And if you don't know what CPA marketing is, check out our blog at Powerhouse Affiliate or check out our courses at powerhouseaffiliate.com. And we have specific courses on CPA and how to get accepted into these CPA affiliate marketing networks. When you come into Max Bounty, for example, you can see that they have offers around free credit scores. That's going to be the example we're going to use today, free credit scores. And I'm going to show you some really good free traffic strategies and how we can use automation to get free traffic. So as you can see here, the earnings per click and the CPA rate. This is how much I get paid per lead if I get people to sign up to get a free credit score. And on average, the earnings per click, the EPC, is about 196. So if I can get people to click onto this offer, I basically could earn roughly $2 per click on average. Okay, that's the conversion rate and the earnings per click. So how do I get traffic? How do I get people to click that? Well, this is a strategy that involves building an email list while at the same time earning commissions on the back end. And this is all explained inside our courses at Powerhouse Affiliate. But let me show you an example of one of the landing pages. And this is a landing page we've developed inside Powerhouse Affiliate using WordPress and OptimizePress. And you can actually get access to this template if you want. Just go there and sign up. But basically what we do here is we are asking people to enter their email if they want access to all 3 of their scores instantly. So they come to our website, they look at this page, and they say, hey, okay, let me get my free credit score. And then they start by entering their email. We collect that email and we start marketing to them in the back end using credit types of offers, maybe debt relief, all of that kind of stuff. But how do we get people to this page for free? Well, let's talk about AI and some really great traffic strategies. As you know, ChatGPT allows us to do many things. This is the first tool we're going to talk about. With ChatGPT, we can use a website like Quora. Let's look at Quora first, okay? If you go to Quora and you look up credit score, you're going to see that there are tons of questions around credit scores, how to improve your credit score, how to build up your credit score, and how do I check my credit score? All of these are questions people are asking on Quora that you can go and answer. So if you have a website, you can actually post a link to your website if you provide a good answer. Now, you can't just go in there and just post your website link and think you're going to get good results. The best answers are the ones that offer a lot of information in the answer, but you don't need to really write it yourself because now you can use ChatGPT to write out the answers. So you can basically take one of these questions and bring it over to ChatGPT and ask it to answer the question. So what we'll do is just come over here, boom, and let ChatGPT do the work for us. So basically we can come in here and humanize the answer, come back to Quora and post that answer. And you can see this has 222 answers, almost 700 answers here. That means a lot of people are interested in this topic. And basically that means there's a lot of traffic in the credit score or how to improve my credit score. All of those questions, okay, can be answered here on Quora, and you can get traffic back to your website. And if you click on any of these answers, you'll start to see some example answers in here and how people are linking to their websites. Okay, so now that we know that's a free traffic strategy, let's go to number 2, which is my favorite. And I use YouTube every single week, and I get thousands of visitors to my websites every single month, hundreds of leads, and thousands in sales, okay? YouTube is an amazing traffic source. And if you search on YouTube for credit score, you can see here that there are hundreds of thousands of views around the topic of credit score. In fact, there's some here with millions of views, 2.2 million views from Graham Stephan. Of course, he is a major YouTuber in the finance space, but you can see here some no-names are still getting thousands of views around the topic of credit scores. And you don't have to really use your face if you don't want to, but usually you get better results if you do use your face in these ads, or if you actually hire somebody to do these videos for you. But either way, you can do faceless YouTube videos. And the beauty of this is that there is a way to automate this with AI once you've created your videos, and you can start sending traffic back to your blog or your website, which I've shown you the example template that we're using. And basically the first tool is called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy helps you skyrocket your YouTube channel with AI, and I use TubeBuddy on my channel as well. And basically what you can see up here is it's a plugin, it's an extension on my Chrome browser, and it shows me a lot of details about keywords that would be great for me to focus on if I want to tackle the credit score niche. Now, of course, it also helps me add tags to my videos. It helps me add other information and templates that make it a lot easier to publish a lot of videos quickly. So check out TubeBuddy for some AI help when it comes to boosting your YouTube channel. Another tool you can use after you've created your YouTube channel is repurpose.io. This allows you to repurpose your YouTube video and blast it across all of your other social media channels, which I'm going to talk about my next favorite free traffic source here in a second. But basically, you can post your YouTube video to Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and all of these other ones here, okay? So basically, that is another tool that you can use to leverage and get yourself some more free traffic back to building your email list in this credit score niche. Lastly, let's look at TikTok. This is amazing. If you look at this, there's a whole bunch of people doing videos on credit scores. You can see the amount of views here, almost 1 million here, 10,000, 432,000 views, 2.3 million views, 40,000, like just amazing numbers in the credit score niche that just makes it very attractive for free traffic, especially that if you can start producing just a ton of videos around just credit scores, how to improve your credit score, how to reduce debt, all of that stuff, you can get free organic traffic back to your website, build your email list, and start promoting financial lead generation offers as a CPA affiliate. This is the method. This is how you can do it for free, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. The only thing you need to spend money on is your own website. And if you start building your blog and expanding your website in the financial niche, that is how you build a real business, okay? If you want to learn more about this, go to powerhouseaffiliate.com for the entire strategy, the step-by-step setup on how to build your own business, all of that explained in our affiliate marketing training. And hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next video.